Let's invite back here on stage, Kate Rosas and Benji Paras. Oh, di ba parang parent lang naman nag-graduate? Ito na. Hello po, Miss Kay and Sir Benji. Please, batiin po natin at invite natin ang lahat to watch Drugs to Riches. Sir Benji?
Yes, maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta and let's enjoy the movie.
Thank you so much po and congratulations. For sure, ibang level na naman ng fun, ng comedy at love ang mapapanood namin from you guys. So thank you so much and congratulations. Now, tawagin na natin here on stage, of course, the cast of Drugs to Riches, Elijah Galas, Inigo Pascual, Christian Bables, together with Victor Villanueva. Hello, directors. Batiin natin at invite natin ang lahat po to watch.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming here and I'm very thrilled to show this film to you kasi kung gusto nyo ng good vibes, panood kayo ng Drugs to Riches. So manood kayo tomorrow, June 24 in SM Cinemas.
Yes, thank you so much. Of course, Elijah Canlas!
Hello everybody. Thank you so much for joining us tonight sa premiere night namin. Ang gusto lang namin, you guys have a good time. So sana mag-enjoy kayo tonight. Help us spread the word about this film. We put a lot of effort and hard work into this. And happy Pride, everyone. Thank you again.
Thank you, Elijah. Of course, we have Inigo Pascual!
Happy Pride Month sa ating lahat. Siyempre gusto magpasalamat sa lahat nandito ngayong gabi. Pinaghirapan namin itong pelikula ito. Sana magustuhan nyo at sumaya lang lahat. And yun lang, spread the word and maraming salamat po.
Yes, and of course, the multi-awarded actor, Christian Bables!
Maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa pagdalo sa napakahalagang gabi po sa aming lahat. Christers, maraming salamat. I love you. Thank you everyone po sa lahat ng mga nandito. Thank you. Happy Pride!
Happy Pride and thank you so much. Palakpakan natin ulit the cast and the director of Drugs to Riches! Thank you so much. We'll have a one group photo po ulit. Ayan, picture muna po tayo. At makakapasok na tayo sa cinemas. And I know everyone's excited to watch Drugs to Riches. Okay po, picture po kayo. Picture. Alright. Ito po ang ating camera. Picture, Drugs to Riches. Again, maraming salamat SM Mega Mall. Happy Pride mga mahal. At naway magkita-kita po tayo. Simula bukas po yan, June 24 in SM Cinemas nationwide. Drugs to Riches. Eto po, maraming salamat ulit. Palakpakan natin ang cast.
Sana maging masaya kayo through this film. Sana mag-enjoy kayo while watching it. Happy Pride everyone and shoutout ko lang Erpat ko, my dad. It's his birthday today. Where's my dad? Happy birthday dad, love you. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung film. To all my guests then, to all the supporters, thank you so much for being here. Maraming salamat. I hope you guys help us spread the word. It comes out tomorrow, exclusively at SM Cinemas. Thank you.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin, Elijah Canlas! And of course, guys, eto na nga! Naku, nandito rin Inigo Pascual na napakagwapo, walang pagbabago na talaga namang pagmalakasan.
Ayan, siyempre magandang gabi sa ating lahat. I just want to thank everyone who's here tonight. Sana ma-enjoy yung pelikula namin. Happy birthday Tito Romel. And yung tatay ko wala pa dito, mamaya po siya darating. So, maraming salamat. Thank you all of my friends and my family that are here tonight. And thank you Cornerstone, thank you Direk. Thank you for the movie. And of course, congratulations Christian Bables.
Ayan, aabangan talaga natin ang mga aktingan, lalo na syempre Inigo rin. And syempre, kung hindi tayo sa kanya, wala tayong lahat dito. At magkakaroon tayo ng magandang pelikula. Direct Victor Villanueva!
Hi everyone, thank you for coming here. Shout out to my friends na harap lang sila dyan. So this is my first queer coded the film. So happy Pride to everyone. I would like to thank Cornerstone Studios for this project, and I have such an amazing, wonderful and fun cast. And ayun, I hope you guys enjoy. Please support, tell your friends if you like it. Tell your family, manood kayo ng Rags to Riches. Yan.
Ayaw, maraming salamat, Direk. And of course, guys, eto na. I-congratulate natin agad in advance with matching Bongelaryum na flowers ang nag-iisa. Grabe, award-winning din to. Grabe yung actingan nito eh. Kahit anong ibigay mo dyan na role, talagang magagampanan niya. Naku-welcome natin, Christian Backlash!
Oh my gosh, maraming salamat po. Salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta sa premiere night namin. Napaka-importante po ng gabi na ito para sa aming lahat. Gusto kong pasalamatan yung Cornerstone family ko. Salamat for making this happen. My family, Christers, my family, lahat ng mga guests ko, lahat ng mga guests po namin lahat dito. Maraming salamat po. Mag-enjoy po tayong lahat ngayong gabi.
Maraming salamat and congratulations in advance sa lahat po ng mga cast ng Drugs to Riches. At ngayon, picture muna